I hope you had a great weekend and are ready for a new week. A few things that you need to know for today. We are going to do another class video meeting today at 10 o'clock. I'll put the link up in Google Classroom. It should show right at the top of your stream in Google Classroom just a few minutes before 10 o'clock so that you can get in there. Um, so I hope, like, again, it's not required, but I would love to see you guys in there just to say hello. And I'm going to leave it open this time a little bit after our meeting is done. If anybody's got questions or things that they need to talk about or um, anything about your assignments, anything at all that you want to talk about, we can do that afterwards. So um, for this morning's community circle, I think I put up there, I want to hear something that made you laugh in the last couple of days. I put up something that I thought was funny. So I want to hear the same from you. In literacy today, you are still working on your research project. So last week we did the title slide and you found your resources. So between today and tomorrow, you're going to create at least 3 additional informational slides about your topic, about things that you have learned from your research. So you're going to teach us about your topic. So we're doing that today. Your journal entry today for your COVID-19 journal is, I want you to talk about what virtual learning is like. Describe some similarities and differences between virtual learning and what we normally do in the classroom. Because it's some of it's the same, some of it's a little bit different. Okay. Also make sure you do your independent reading and do that check-in so that I can see that you're doing it. Some of you have not been doing your check-in, so I have to assume you're not doing your independent reading and getting that requirement done. So we'll have to talk about that. For math today, we're still working on converting customary units. Today and tomorrow, we're working on customary units of capacity. So capacity is what fits inside an object, kind of like volume, how much can fit inside. So you're working on capacity today. You have, excuse me, some work to do on that today. For science, we're looking at the digestive tract today. So you have a video to watch and then a Google Doc with some questions after the video. Let's see, I think that's it for today. So I hope you're having a great morning and can't wait to see you today during our video meeting. Talk to you soon. Bye.